Good evening, everybody. Like I said last night, I had an appointment at the cardiologist today, and I was extremely nervous because I didn't know what to expect. Because the last time we went, I got the news that I was in heart failure, so it was a bit weird. I was quite antsy the whole day. I didn't know what to expect, and I was a bit worried. Okay, so what happened at the cardiologist? Uh, they did a EKG again, and my EKG was brilliant. It's my heart's back to normal rhythm, and it's looking really good. Then they did a sonar, and my ejection fraction was 23%. And the last time before he did the echo, the doctor said if you can get 2% added to the 23%, that would be really, really, really good for the 2 months. And then they measured it, and it was up to 28%, which is a 5% increase in the ejection fraction. So that is excellent. It's better than what we expected, and it's better than what the doctor expected. And the best thing about it is that because of my low ejection fraction that I had previously, my heart was quite swollen. And it looks like the swelling on the heart is going down as well. So in all, it was actually a brilliant day. So there's improvement. And now we just hope that it can carry on this path. My next appointment is about in 4 months. So hopefully we can add another 5%. Then I'm getting close to where life expectancy becomes quite a lot more. So it's been a good day, and thank you for the interest, and thank you for everybody sending messages, and just going on this journey with me. Thank you. I'll chat to you later.